now to the story of a pig that is inspiring others. One pot-bellied pig has certainly endured his share of problems. Chris P. Bacon was born without the use of his I can't. Yeah, you have to read this story. We cannot. Oh my god.
Hello.
Today I am crispy bacon. Crisupe.
I am Sammy
Bacon.
Anderson.
Crisupe bacon.
Where do we get these names? Do you want to tell the story?
When we got in, the management asked us to give a fake name for everyone to call, and so we kind of thought of like, let's pick a funny name. I don't know.
So we were gonna enter like the meeting with the rest of our Etheria group members, but this was before we could tell them our real names, Enna and Millie. But so we
It has
had
to be secret.
We had to be
The
a
masquerade
secret.
party.
Yeah. Except not as sexy. So fucking Millie was like, crispy bacon.
They approved it. The staff approved it. So I was like, yeah.
And I was like, are our manager sounds gonna approve everything? So I like picked the most randomest name and then combined it with the most common last name in North America and America. And I was like, Sammy Anderson. And they're like,
Yeah.
yes. Was when
then-
we entered the call.
Raymond's name was, I think it was Nana. Raymond's name was Nana, and mom's name is literally just Fox.
Yeah, because she was the fox, and I was like, shit, we're fucking stupid.
We're dumb.
That's why our names are like this today. Except that Chris P. Bacon was taken, so we had to improvise and put it as Crispy Bacon. We tried.
I think it's cute.
Yeah, it's like the katakana version.
Yeah. This is what happens.
Oh shit!
That's expected.
Oh, I mean, yeah, I guess so. It's because like we killed so many people.
Oh, Emily's just standing there. She's like,
Oh, was Emily
Yeah.
a part of the cops? Oh man.
no, I don't know. I think she just got caught in a crossfire. Ooh, this is CGI. Real CGI.
Oh my god, my nose is really big.
Everybody stand down.
Emily a rat.
She's a fucking rat.
Emily.
Who's that? The detective?
Yeah.
he is. Nobody gonna get an umbrella for this guy?
What's happening? Yeah. Yeah, take it. We don't.
Here you
just
go.
Let us.
Good
Just
job,
let us-
Vincent.
What? Oh shit!
What?
You're a double agent!
Wait, I'm a double agent.
Aurelia.
Oh yo! No! I thought you were my bro! Yo! You betrayed me! We're brothers! We're lovers! How could you do this to me?
No, I love you. Do not believe what this
You
guy said.
liar! You fucked me over! I already got fucked over by one guy. Oh my god. Every man who's been in my life has betrayed me. How could you do this to me? God, there's no more decent males in this world.
No, imagine Carol. Think about Carol. This is for my kid. I'm sorry.
Fuck. I even let you see your baby. Come on. I went
I'm
with
sorry.
you.
I have to. My children. Think about my kid.
How could you do this? I have a kid too. You played with my kid.
Your kid is not
You
good. He
flirted
has
with my
bad shorts.
wife.
No, I just touched his motorcycle. Think about Carol. Carol loves me. I have a family. We've been
man.
having sex for many days.
My God. Don't talk to me ever again, traitor.
I didn't know it was Harvey. I didn't know it was Harvey who killed you.
You're under arrest, Leo.
You arresting me, bro. You put
Sorry,
me back where
sorry.
we met. The day we
Sorry,
met,
Leo.
man. You really put him
Sorry,
back?
it's for my family. Think about my family, Leo.
Fuck you, bitch.
Somebody move! I'll fucking
Leo, hold on. Leo, wait,
I'll fuck you
friends,
over,
right?
man.
Leo,
We're not
Leo,
fucking friends.
Leo,
Fuck you,
Leo.
man. You fucking
Leo,
traitor.
let's
Nobody
talk about
betrays
it.
Leo. I fucking died in a parachute for you,
Leo, talk about
fucker.
No, Leo,
I did everything for you.
Leo,
I
killed Harvey
fucking
together.
died
Leo,
in the
Leo,
sky
Leo,
for you.
We shot people
fucker.
together.
For content.
The prison.
Fuck you, man. Fuck you, man.
We met with your wife. We
Get in the
we
fucking
bonded.
Your
car.
wife never
Go.
met me, fucker.
No, you saw my wife. You saw I have a brand new baby.
Bye, I'm kidnapping you.
No,
We're gonna be lovers.
We keep having sex.
We're gonna be lovers, whether you want to or not.
You need to calm down.
Calm down. I got you. I'll
You
save
will
this. This
love
is a setup.
me.
I know you're
If
right.
you don't love me,
Angry,
I'm
I
going
can see me
to
angry.
kill both of
You
us in the car.
Please. Just
You know
calm
how
down.
bad my
Shut
driving
up.
is.
Just shut the fuck up.
Leo, think about your family, Leo.
Yo, I don't have no family. I put everything on the line for you, man. You and
I'm
me.
sorry for everything.
Stop
No.
the car.
Let's start
Man,
over.
we're supposed to be together to the very end, fucker. You wanna? We're gonna die together. Ride together, die together, brother.
No. We need to talk.
Nope. There's no more talking.
Take it.
We've already talked. We've talked already.
No.
We've talked already.
Please, talk over. Let's talk over. Oh!
Die together.
Kind of hot, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Like we have to talk.
We fucking pet chickens together. That meant nothing to you? Mean nothing to you, brother? We fucking robbed elderly people. We almost played fucking four blocks in the hospital. Nothing meant. We played arcade games. We exercised together. We had sex. Oh my God, nothing.
You just
Nothing,
need
man.
to, yo, remember the times we
Nothing.
had sex in the car?
Nothing.
We had sex. Come on.
You're not even that good. You're not even that good, man. You suck. You always get there first.
Let's talk this through.
I only have family now. Because of you.
Uh-oh. What's she doing?
I don't know. Why do we have a cutscene of her? That was a bromance
Yeah.
thing. Oh,
Get out of
shit.
here. Go.
Don't do anything stupid, Leo.
Shut up. Just go. I don't want to hurt you, Emily. Just get out.
You know I can't do that.
Don't
Why?
fucking push it. This is between me and Vincent.
Yeah. There's
Now
no
get the
space
hell
for
out.
you, woman.
Yeah. No
Get
space.
out.
Get
No
out of here.
threesome.
We don't need any woman in here. Get
Yeah.
out.
Go.
Only bros. If you don't have a dick, get the fuck out.
Disgusting creatures of women. Ugh.
Please stop this.
Oh my God. This is best playthrough on the internet.
Stop hiding it. I will get you.
Oh my God. Vincent, please. I don't want to kill you. We're right in front of each other.